Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a weather update on our weather here for the upcoming weekend and all of next week. And it looks like some changes on the way for the weekend as we will see the end of our pleasant temperatures. You can see today, right now, lots of clouds around the ArkLaTex. Temperatures have warmed into the low 70s here in the first half of the afternoon, and we may rise another degree or two ahead of a cold front. So far, nothing as far as rain. That will likely change, however, as we move into the evening hours, as we have this big upper level trough right in here. This is a pretty good batch of chilly air. Cold front just to our north and west will slide its way into the area here later on this evening. As it moves in, a few scattered showers will be possible, but the main thing with this front will be the dramatic drop in temperatures behind it, as it'll continue to slide its way to the south and east. Colder air will move in, as we'll see an increase in the wind out of the north and northeast that will result in lows tonight in the 30s and highs tomorrow mainly in the 40s, as we will struggle to make it to 50 depending on how much sunshine we see in the afternoon, if we see any at all. Here's a look at Robin's Futurecast. Again, a few scattered showers possible this evening. That activity will wind down as we go through the evening as it moves to the south and east. And you can see the big blue arrows there. That's that north to northeasterly wind, which will be increasing behind the front. Tomorrow, Futurecast is a bit optimistic as far as the clearing trend. If we see any sunshine, it's going to be over the northern half of the area. Might see a little bit of afternoon sunshine as far south as Interstate 20, but expect lots of clouds for most of tomorrow. We will see the clouds decrease tomorrow night. That will allow temperatures to dip pretty close to freezing. And then going through Sunday, lots of sunshine, and we begin a warming trend as daytime highs will warm into the mid to upper 50s, and we likely very well could hit 80 by the middle part of the work week. As far as rainfall potential, don't expect much. Futurecast shows that all of the area will see less than 1/10 of an inch for the most part. You might see a few isolated locations that pick up that 1/10 to maybe 1/4 of an inch, but rainfall very limited, not only tonight, but for the next couple of weeks. Our next chance of rain probably holds off until the end of next weekend. Here's a look at the 10-day pattern, and you can see that big upper level trough, the colder air swinging across the eastern half of the country. It'll be displaced by a big upper level ridge. You can see it here over central Mexico, jutting up into the middle of the country. As the axis of this ridge moves over us, we will see temperatures near 80 on Wednesday. That ridge will break down some, and as a result, we will cool off a little bit towards the end of next week, but temperatures likely will stay above normal. And you can see that possibility for a little bit of rain as we go into next Sunday, and that threat of rain could linger into Monday as well. Meantime, your forecast for tonight is looking cloudy. It'll become windy, and it will turn colder. Again, a possibility for an evening shower across the area as temperatures will dip into the low 30s across the north. 33 tonight in Texarkana, 38 degrees in Shreveport, 38 degrees also in Natchitoches. Tomorrow, a chilly day. Temperatures will be 20 to 25 degrees cooler than today, as we'll see lots of clouds. It'll stay rather windy, as we'll see highs over the northern half of the area in the mid to upper 40s. Further to the south and east Texas and northwest Louisiana, highs in the upper 40s to lower 50s, including 50 degrees in Shreveport. 10-day forecast shows that warming trend, again close to freezing again Sunday night, and then we'll be in the mid-60s come Monday, mid-70s come Tuesday, close to 80 on Wednesday, and then we'll see a little bit of a cool down into the upper 60s by the end of the week. You can see a slight chance of rain returning by the end of next weekend. So all in all, big changes on the way for the weekend. Get those jackets ready, as we are looking at temperatures Saturday, some 20 to 25 degrees cooler than we have outside right now.